it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting. And today I thought it would be fun if we would go over some of the notions that we've gotten in different boxes and just kind of discussed whether these were things that maybe you might be interested in purchasing outside of a box if you don't have that already. I'm thinking this could be a regular type of video on my channel, and we'll just kind of occasionally go through notions and such as we get them in boxes. But today we're going to start with these G-Easy sewing clips. And now the package came with 6 clips in them and stickers that you could label them with. And these would kind of take the place of alphabeties. So what you would do is you'd pull off these stickers and attach them to your clips. Now, things that I like about this saves the extra step of having something that you clip in underneath your clip. It's just the clip already labeled. And that is very useful. I do like that. But I did run into a couple of issues as well. First, they did not send you enough clips to use all of the labels, which I understand maybe those were just demonstration clips and you use your own clips and label them. And I'm fine with that. That's not a problem at all. I know some people who received the box may have been a little bit disappointed with that, but I can understand it, and it's fine. Especially for the cost of the product. It makes sense. Now, because I'm thinking it's only like a $5 or $6 thing. Now, I will say that one issue I came across, though, is that this is not a full alphabet. They don't give you a full alphabet. I did go through and I labeled what I had, which it goes up from A through M. Now, you could still use these on a project that has fewer pieces and it would work fine. But even the pattern that we received with the kit in the sewsampler box, it goes all the way up through S. So you would not be able to use these to label this quilt pattern. Now, I will say that one thing that I found was very useful is that they do have number labels in inches. I did really like this. I thought that was a nice addition. And I've definitely had patterns before that will not label things with letters, and it's nice to have the inches written on there. That is useful. I do like that. I'm just maybe a little bit disappointed that they did not have the full alphabet, especially since all of these down here are individually cut. So these could have been a continuation of the alphabet. And there's the exact right number cut out there. So there's nothing stopping you from going through and using a Sharpie to write it yourself. But for the continuity of it, it would be nice if they had printed the rest of the alphabet so that it would all match and be printed letters. Because let's be honest, writing it in with a Sharpie is not going to necessarily give you a very legible letter to read off of there. And that's kind of the point of it. You could just buy stickers to put on there if you were just going to write it in, and then they would all match handwritten. But I digress. The clips seem to be good quality, although there were only 6 of them. And the stickers seem to be good quality, and they are printed at a nice size to fit onto the clips. Both the large ones and the small ones. They fit very nicely right onto the front of the clip. If it had been something that I had purchased individually, I would probably be a little bit disappointed. I will still use them for smaller projects that have less pieces, so they won't go to waste. And they'll still be useful for that. All right, well, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.